Welcome to an AI Daily Guide video, the YouTube channel that explains how AI can make your life easier on a daily basis. Last year, people started making money online using AI tools. Some of them started with zero experience. And some are now making thousands of dollars per month. So the question is simple: can beginners really make money with AI? In this video, I will show you 3 AI side hustles that anyone can start. The first AI side hustle is AI writing. Every day, thousands of businesses need blog content. But most companies do not have time to write articles. This is where AI tools come in. With tools like ChatGPT, you can generate articles in minutes. You simply enter a prompt and the AI writes the content. Then you can sell this content online. Freelance platforms like Fiverr and Upwork connect writers with clients. Some freelancers charge $30 to $100 per article. AI side hustle 2. AI designs. The second AI side hustle is selling AI designs. AI image generators can create artwork in seconds. One popular tool is Midjourney. You type a prompt and the AI generates unique designs. These designs can be printed on products. Websites like Redbubble allow you to sell print-on-demand products. You upload the design once. And every time someone buys a product, you earn money. AI side hustle 3. Faceless YouTube. The third AI side hustle might surprise you. Many successful YouTube channels never show a face. These are called faceless YouTube channels. You can create videos using AI tools. First, write a script using ChatGPT. Then create a voiceover using 11 Labs. Finally, generate the video using Pictory. Once the channel grows, you can earn money from ads and sponsors. So yes, beginners can make money with AI. But there is one important rule. Do not try everything at once. Pick one and start today, because the people who start early often win the most. Thank you for watching this AI Daily Guide video. If you want to learn more on how to use AI to make your life easier, subscribe to this channel.